Tonight, an E. coli outbreak in the U.S. has killed one person and put several in the hospital. Health officials think a specific type of lettuce may be to blame. But as Team 12's Ryan Cody shows us, so far you can still find romaine lettuce at the grocery stores.
Romaine lettuce could be the biggest culprit because the lettuce is behind a similar outbreak in Canada. Consumer Reports pressuring the CDC and FDA to do more to protect shoppers. But the produce is not coming off U.S. grocery store shelves just yet. Arizona-based Bashas saying, quote, "At Bashas' family of stores, food safety is our #1 priority. While there haven't been any cases reported in Arizona, we are actively monitoring the situation and will continue to do so," end quote. The Albertson Safeway Southwest Division referring 12 News to the CDC or U.S. Department of Agriculture for additional information. The CDC telling 12 News it is, quote, "collecting information to determine whether there is a food item in common among sick people, including leafy greens and romaine," end quote. Ryan Cody, 12 News.